I need
Yoruba people segment. Here we'll be going out to ask the people about the Yoruba language, the culture, and the people themselves. Don't forget the Yoruba language is fantastic, it's fantabulous, it's panimorous, it's doctoricious, super duper asharicious. Yes, so
What I can say about Yoruba people, their life is so simple if you understand them very well. And if not Yoruba people, if not Lagos State, I don't think that Nigeria will hold today, because Yoruba people, they are feeding much people in this country, and especially in this Lagos State, they are okay. Life of Yoruba is okay, but once you don't understand their life, you say that they only shout, they will shout, hey, all the things. But the thing that saying is not inside them, but they just can't. They want to use the voice and chase you away, but they are simple, and that's all I can say.
One thing we say, I know Yoruba, they like social life, they like living on streets. So to live with Yoruba, it's very simple, just to understand them.